Andrew here, and today I want to talk to you about habits. Now, this video is inspired by a book that I've been reading called The Power of Habit: Why We Do What We Do. And basically, we are the sum of all of our habits, whether that is something like when you wake up first thing in the morning, do you check your phone? Do you automatically brush your teeth first thing? Do you put your right shoe on before your left shoe? These are things that are habits that seem to automatically happen without us even thinking about it. Now, habits weren't always there for us. They had to form over time. And the things that help habits form are regular cues. And a cue could be something like you're hungry, so therefore you go grab a snack. But it could also be something like you're a little bit stressed, so the first thing you do and first thing you think of is going to grab a cigarette. So habits could be good or bad. Habits are hard to change whether they are good or bad. If the cue is there, the habit basically just happens. And when the habit just happens, our reward center in our brain rewards us with dopamine. To change a bad habit, most of the time that bad habit needs to be replaced with a good habit. And there also needs to be a belief that the habit can actually change. Now, if an entire lifestyle needs to be changed, you may need to form something called a Keystone habit, which is something that can help you get small wins each day. And this can help create a dramatic shift in one's habits and behavior. And that could be something as simple as changing one meal a day, eating less with that one meal, starting to exercise a little bit, making a checklist to manage your day. And getting those small wins can help you shift the way you behave and kind of extrapolate down the road to making major changes with your lifestyle. Now, habits are important in the realm of physical therapy because when a patient comes in for an evaluation, we are not only just going to ask them about their pain, but we're going to ask them how they live their day. How does the patient manage their stress? How do they sleep? How does their job affect them? How do their eating habits affect their pain? And then this can help us make little tweaks and modifications to things they do throughout their day to help suit their needs and also help them gain confidence with what they're doing and getting them back to what they love to do. So that's a little bit about habits. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like us on social media if you can. Drop a comment in there. And please feel free to give us any recommendations on videos you would like to see in the future, because we're going to try to make it a habit to do more of these educational videos. Thank you very much.